10 airport hacks you need to know before your next flight. 1. Pack a power bank in your carry-on. Everyone dreads a dead phone at the airport. Always carry a fully charged power bank in your carry-on. Airports often have limited charging stations, and you don't want to be stuck without a working phone for boarding passes or entertainment. 2. Wear slip-on shoes for security. Speeding through security is a universal goal. Wear shoes that are easy to slip on and off. This saves time during security checks and avoids the hassle of lacing up while holding up the line. 3. Use packing cubes to stay organized. Packing cubes are a game changer for travelers. Use packing cubes to separate clothes, toiletries, and electronics. This makes it easier to unpack and repack during security checks, and you'll always know where everything is. 4. Download offline maps of the airport. No one wants to get lost in a massive airport. Before your trip, download offline maps of the airport, Google Maps or airport apps. This helps you navigate terminals, find gates, and locate amenities like lounges and restaurants. 5. Bring an empty water bottle. Save money and stay hydrated. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle through security and fill it up at a water station afterward. This avoids paying for overpriced bottled water at the airport. 6. Check in online and use mobile boarding passes. Skip the long check-in lines. Always check in online and save your boarding pass to your phone. This saves time and ensures you're ready to head straight to security. 7. Know your airport lounge options. Lounges are a traveler's secret weapon. Research lounge access options. Many credit cards offer free lounge access, or you can purchase a day pass. Some lounges provide free food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and a quiet place to relax. 8. Pack a change of clothes in your carry-on. Be prepared for delays or lost luggage. Always pack a change of clothes, underwear, and essential toiletries in your carry-on. If your checked luggage is delayed, you'll still have the basics. 9. Use TSA pre-check or global entry. Skip the long security lines. Apply for TSA pre-check or global entry to breeze through security without removing shoes, laptops, or liquids. It's a small investment for frequent travelers. 10. Arrive early, but not too early. Timing is everything. Arrive 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 hours for international flights. This gives you enough time to check in, go through security, and relax without unnecessary waiting. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.